Our relationship with the Danwood Group is now in its 36th year, and like all long-term partnerships, we've evolved it and developed it through good times and bad. As our largest reseller partner in Europe, we've got strong relationships with the Danwood management team, both here in the UK, in our European hub, and most vitally in our headquarters in Japan, where the input and feedback from Danwood helps shape and evolve our products and strategies for the future. Significantly, the markets in which we now operate are being increasingly driven by the need to develop solutions-based efficiencies for small and large customers, and Danwood were very early to market with dedicated software specialists who were able to provide full consultancy and effectively offer complete turnkey project management in complex environments. Danwood's ability to secure and maintain long-term large public sector and corporate contracts makes them a strategically important element in our UK plans, and we'll continue to work hard with them, offering all the support and assistance that we can. We are really proud to have partnered with Danwood for so long, and we look forward to a continuing relationship with them for very many years to come.
Here at Samsung, we make no secret of our intention to become a top-tier printer manufacturer within the next 5 years. Samsung has a track record of coming into markets with an existing, dominant #1 player and securing that position for itself. We've demonstrated this on numerous occasions to date, whether it be in semiconductors, white goods, flat panels or mobile phones. And we are confident that we will repeat the success in printing. As a printing business, our strategy is to fulfill all products via channel partners, and to that end it's clear that to be successful in the UK we must engage effectively with Danwood. The relationships that we've developed with the Danwood team over the last 18 months have assisted us enormously in terms of product development and refinement. As an organisation, they have the depth of knowledge, market intelligence and coverage that we need, and they're more than able to support us in achieving our goals. In channel terms, Danwood are the premier independent reseller partner in the UK and Europe, and Samsung is fully committed to developing the relationship further. Danwood are a fundamental part of our go-to-market strategy, and we look forward to working with them over the coming months and years as we develop an ever-increasing portfolio of products and solutions to meet the changing needs of the marketplace.
I first came across Danwood in the late 90s when I was sales director for the imaging and printing business, and at that time Danwood were different from the breed of partners that we're working with, and they had some unique software solutions, they had a unique consultative approach, and they had a desire to work with strategic partners like HP to take our products, the new breed of products that we had in both A4 and A3 print, into the market, and that was different from the types of partners that we tended to work with in the volume space. What we wanted was a partner that actually could offer these solutions across the portfolio of customers that we had, so not only into the large corporates, but very specifically into the public sector. HP has a program called the Gold Partner Program, and we've run this for a number of years, and we have a small number of partners, and I'm delighted to say that Danwood were one of the initial recipients of the Gold Partner status. You know, I've worked for HP for 25 years and I've worked with Danwood for the last 7 years, and so when you come across a partner that really wants to work with you strategically and you're there at the inception of that, it's very rewarding when you reach a point in time where they've become a leading player for HP, a strategic player for HP, both in the UK and hopefully in Europe going forward.
Xerox UK is a wholly owned subsidiary of the Xerox Corporation, a Fortune top 500 company. In the UK, we're a $1 billion operation and employ in excess of 5,000 people. Traditionally, Xerox has used significant direct resource to take its products and services to market, together more latterly with our concessionaire channel, but we've always fulfilled the after-sales element of the contracts ourselves. Our new strategic partnership with the Danwood Group is the first time Xerox has authorised a reseller to offer full, independent service support to customers and right across the product range. So why did we decide to make this change in strategy? The answer is essentially simple. Xerox needs to grow its market share, but with the right partner. In truth, there are very few, if any, other partners can match the level of customer coverage, after-sales support, technical service and consultancy capability like the Danwood Group. They have a proven track record in securing large contracts. right across all sectors of the market, and we are totally committed to ensuring all the support Xerox can muster is brought to bear to facilitate this still further. I'm convinced our industry-leading range of products, from desktop printers to production presses and their associated workflow software, will ensure an exciting mutual business opportunity, especially when aligned to Danwood's growing ability in the managed print services space. This makes Danwood a compelling strategic partner and one that we look forward to working with for many, many years to come.